My name is Miriam Sithole, and I'm going to be taking you through one of the projects that we've been working on, CrackScan. Infrastructure failures across Africa cost lives and billions in damages every year. Traditional inspection methods put human inspectors at risk, climbing dangerous structures while also often missing critical damages that leads to catastrophic collapses. So the real problem here isn't just detection, it's accountability. When inspection records can be altered or lost, there's no way to track responsibility or ensure proper maintenance. CrackScan combines autonomous drone technology with AI-powered damage detection and blockchain verification. Our drones use computer vision to spot structural problems that human eyes miss, while blockchain creates a permanent and tamper-proof inspection records. This convergence of intelligence and trust transforms infrastructure safety. The AI provides the eyes to see every crack, while blockchain provides the guarantee that findings cannot be covered up. CrackScan integrates AI computer vision with blockchain verification to create the world's first autonomous infrastructure inspection system with permanent accountability. Watch our AI computer vision analyze structural integrity in real time. The system identifies crack patterns, measures dimensions, and classifies risk levels with over 90% accuracy, far exceeding human visual inspection capabilities. Every AI decision gets permanently recorded on blockchain. This prevents inspection reports from being altered and ensures accountability. If a structure fails, there's immutable record of what was detected and when. So first we're going to start by connecting the drone, and then we're going to analyze the environment. So we're going to analyze the environment to a specific height, and then the drone is going to do a 360 analysis of the room or environment that we are in. And then once it's done, it's going to analyze the environment. And then once it's done in analyzing, that's when we're gonna we're gonna land the drone. And then after landing the drone, that's where we're gonna check for defects. And so we're gonna upload the video that was recorded and then analyze it using our AI tool. So once it's done analyzing,
analysis is complete. I have found several points of interest. Please open the AI assistant to discuss the findings.
So the AI is going to tell us what to do, and then we're going to open the AI assistant so that it can give us a clear result of what it found. We're going to give it a command.
Tell me about the analysis.
So we're going to give it a command while recording for it to tell us about the analysis.
The analysis in the report provides an overview of the room's layout and maintenance, identifies any structural defects or hazards, and gives observations related to compliance with SANS 10400 regulations. It notes that the room appears to be an office or meeting space, is well maintained, clean, with no visible structural defects or safety hazards like electrical risks or mold. It also finds no immediate compliance issues with SANS 10400 standards, but recommends regular inspections and a review of fire safety equipment and signage.
Explain how it meets South Africa building standard.
SANS 10400 refers to the South African national standards, specifically the set of standards defining the technical specifications and guidelines for construction in South Africa. These standards ensure that buildings comply with safety, health, and structural requirements. The report mentions SANS 400 compliance to indicate that the inspected office or meeting room adheres to these regulatory guidelines.
Does it meet all regulatory guidelines?
Based on the visible elements in the report, The room seems to follow general office layout guidelines, and no immediate SANS 10400 compliance issues are identifiable. It is recommended that regular inspections be conducted to ensure full compliance with structural and safety standards, including the review of fire safety equipment and signage for visibility. However, without a detailed on-site inspection, this conclusion may not be comprehensive.
So here's why both technologies are essential. AI alone could be hacked or biased. Imagine if someone manipulates a version algorithm to hide dangerous cracks. Blockchain alone has no intelligence. It can't detect structural problems, but together they create something powerful. AI provides a superhuman detection capabilities, while blockchain ensures that those findings can never be covered up or forgotten. So this convergence solves infrastructure safety through trustworthy automation. At the center of AI blockchain convergence revolution, with infrastructure spending increasingly globally and safety regulations tightening, CrackScan addresses a multi-billion rand market. We are currently piloting with major mining operations and seeking partnerships with municipal authorities. The future of infrastructure safety is intelligent, autonomous, and permanently accountable.